Hey guys, here I just want to show you the levels that I do when I detail other people's cars. I do a standard detail, then I do an advanced, and then I do an ultra, and so on. This is just the standard one, and please excuse my wheels because they do need refurbing. I did spray them myself, and now the lacquer's all peeling off. I can't afford it at the minute because of COVID-19. Yes, I hope you're all staying safe, and please enjoy the video, and I will tell you what's going on throughout the video. I go straight in with the auto wheel by Built Hamber. This is an iron remover, so it removes all the brake dust from your alloy wheels and it makes it incredibly clean once it's been rinsed off. Now once it's dwelled for a little bit, I then use the detailing brush to agitate it to help lift off the brake dust. As it's being rinsed off, you can see that it's turned to red, and that's basically the chemical reacting with the brake dust and breaking it down. No pun intended. The next step, I use Surfx HD, which is a degreaser, and I use it to clean the tyre wall and the face of the alloy. Using this Tough Shine tyre brush, I use it to scrub the tyres, and I think it's still got a bit of residue of some tyre dressing because it's just running off instantly. Now we're on to my new toy, the EZ wheel brush, and this is to clean inside the barrels behind the base of the alloy. Brilliant brush. I think I used a bit too much suds on this, but you can never have enough suds. No problem whatsoever getting right behind them. Now with this wash mitt, I just wipe the front of the alloy to get the last remaining bit of dirt off. A final rinse and the wheel is complete. Just another 3 more to go. Now it's on to the exhaust cleaning. As always, again, a degreaser, Surfx HD, sprayed it on there. And then I used a wheel woolly, which I don't really like using on my wheels anymore, and I used that to get right inside the tips, and then I basically use a microfiber wash mitt to wipe the outsides and the rest of the inside, and it comes out lovely. The next stage is to give the car a rinse, just using plain water or out the pressure washer, nothing special. So let's just speed through this. I must say I have used some really good wax. It's Autoglim's ultra high definition wax, and this is the second time I've cleaned the car, and you can see from the water is just running off straight away and making beads. And like I said, it's a second wash and it's still acting like that. Brilliant wax. Now onto the snow foam stage. This is just a little pre-wash to help lift off some of the dirt. At this stage my car wasn't that dirty, it was just a bit of light dust, but I'm making this video to, as I said, to show you what stages I do when I detail other people's cars. The product I am using here is the Built Hamber Auto Foam. Not the foamiest, but it is very powerful. And again rinsing the snow foam off. This is the 2-bucket method that I'm on now. So we've got one bucket for just plain water and the other bucket with the shampoo. Doing this basically stops contamination getting into your clean water, so you always have clean water back onto the paint every time you rinse your mitt off. I do inside the door jambs or the door shuts if you're from the UK. Actually, I'm not 100% sure which way around you say it, but yeah, I do inside them, and I also do behind the door. Now on to the final rinse. I'm also emphasising here that I do the shut of the boot. Okay, nearly at the end now. This is just the drying stage using a microfiber drying towel, very absorbent. It takes about 10 minutes to dry the whole car, leaving no water spots or nothing like that. The final step is Autoglim Fast Glass. This is the very first glass cleaner that I've ever used. Bloody brilliant. Water just sheets off the glass. It's crazy. It's like it removes all the dirt and it's smear free. Brilliant. I can't rate it enough. And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.